This whole trip is making me rethink how much planning you actually need. On one hand, I spent 3 or 4 hours today looking for food and water because, surprise, surprise, first day of Christmas and everything is closed. But on the other hand, I have never came here to this. Madeira was always on the list, but it wasn't on high priority to visit list. In my case, I planned enough to have a car, so that's shelter, if you will. Now I have food and water, whole 10 liters of water with me, and bunch of snacks from random takeaway. That should be enough for tonight and hopefully tomorrow. But it was somewhat scary. So I don't know. Maybe the truth lies somewhere in the middle, as always. Because it could be that, you know, you don't want to be a cog in a machine, even though you created that machine. But at the same time, you kinda want to make sure that you have food and shelter, because at the end of the day, if you're in the mountains, it's your survival. It's not a game. So, I guess the answer to all of this, how much planning do you need, is depends. Or rather, as always, in moderation. As one of the greatest drivers of all time, Ayrton Senna, said, if everything seems under control, maybe you're not going fast enough. So yeah, maybe sometimes we do need to walk on that edge, or at least feel like we're walking on edge, to live a little. So, live a little. Oh my. Damn. I still have roughly 5 kilometers left, and it's sunset. Well, it's past sunset, at least in the mountains. So that means it's gonna get dark very very quickly here. So, guess that's the whole planning. Not planning. I'm turning around, but it's good enough. I saw things. I thought things. Filmed things. I listened to things. Waterfalls and birds chirping. It's great. Good night.